So, PlayStation just released a new video on their upcoming new PS5. In this video, they revealed the internals by doing a teardown on it. From what we can see, the dimensions of the PS5 are 10.4 centimeters in width, 39 centimeters in height, and 26 centimeters in depth. Comparing to the Xbox Series X, PS5 is pretty tall. Now when talk about I/O, we have one Type-C and Type-A on the front. On the rear, two Type-A ports, one Ethernet port, HDMI port, and an AC power connector. Both front Type-C and rear Type-A ports are 10 gigabits per second in speed. The Ryzen Zen 2 based processor is 8-core 16-thread chip which can run up to 3.5 GHz, and the Radeon RDNA 2 based GPU can run up to 2.23 GHz and can deliver 10.3 teraflops of power. The CPU is cooled using liquid metal. The reason might be high heat conductivity on liquid metal than regular thermal materials. The PS5 consists of 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, and the onboard SSD is 825 GB and has speeds of 5.5 GB per second of raw data transfer speed. For future expansion of storage, PlayStation has included a PCIe Gen 4 M.2 slot on them. The serviceability of the PS5 is great because the two side panels can be removed and can be dusted using a vacuum. So for now, that's all we can learn from the teardown. So I'm looking forward to you guys for comments and discussions on the comment option down below. So like and subscribe the video and feel free to give any ideas on this current video. See you later. Thank you.